without fear. And the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Into the dairy desert, stand up, dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by tea. Into ever widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country away.
Standards! Attention! Standards! Attention! Raise on begin.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदा वरदा मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं.
Standards! Attention! Standards! Attention! Let's begin.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its and heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders, respect and grace everyone. Courtesy to my country and my people. I take pride devotion in their well-being and prosperity along with my happiness.
Standards!
Good morning, children. Yes, today news by Sonia of 7th class A section.
Good morning, everyone. Here are some of the top news stories from today. Major global and US headlines. A massive 8.8 magnitude earthquake in Russia far east has triggered tsunami warnings across Japan, Alaska, Hawaii, and parts of the US west coast. First waves have already reached northern Japan and the Kuril Islands. The Senate confirmed Emil Bowe, a former lawyer for Donald Trump, to a lifetime appointment on the Federal Appeals Court, despite whistleblower objections. International humanitarian news. According to UNOCHA, aid delivery has accelerated in Guatemala, the Palestinian territories, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, but hunger-related deaths remain a grim concern amid ongoing crisis. Health lifestyle. A recent study found that fast walking, especially in low income or black population may reduce mortality risk by nearly 20%, signaling public health potential for simple lifestyle interventions. Travel and regional highlights. Shannon Airport in Ireland confirmed a new direct flight to Frankfurt starting April 4, 2026, while Aer Lingus is adding routes from Dublin to Trans-Norway beginning. Economy, finance, business. December 2025 with discounted fares for summer travel. In Haryana, India, all designated school examination centers are closed on July 30 for the HTET teacher eligibility test. Exams resume on July 31, which is also a public holiday for Shahid Udham Singh Memorial Day. Nature environment. Experts warn that tarantula activity may surge across parts of the US in late summer and early fall due to mating season. Though these spiders may appear in greater numbers, they typically avoid humans. Bites are rare encounters should simply be observed from a safe distance. Football, soccer, Ligas Cup. Matches are going on. Taluka made a comeback. NYCFC is struggling. Liverpool and Man United are playing international friendlies. In Europe, qualifiers like Panathinaikos versus Rangers are happening. Other sports. US Olympic Committee is facing legal trouble after banning transgender women for competing. This rule may not last. In FL, New York Giants and had some injuries, but rookie like Abdul Carter doing well in training camp. Thank you.
Attention! Standards! Attention! Nation anthem begin!
जनगण मनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलतरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाये तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय